Welcome back to the Test Drive Hub, your ultimate stop for in-depth, honest, and exciting car reviews. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and buckle up, because today we're diving into luxury, innovation, and power with the 2025 Genesis G90, the flagship sedan that's redefining what premium means in 2025. Let's get into it. Right off the bat, the 2025 Genesis G90 makes a bold statement with its design. The front fascia is unmistakable. The signature crest grille paired with those ultra-slim two-line LED headlamps gives it a futuristic yet dignified presence. It's long, sleek, and low-slung with proportions that feel more European executive than traditional Korean sedan. Slide around to the rear, and it's just as impressive. The full-width light bar, clean lines, and chrome accents ooze modern elegance. This isn't a car trying to look like its German rivals. It's carving out its own identity, and doing it well. Under the hood, you've got two engine options: a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6, pushing out 375 horsepower, or the more exclusive 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 with an electric supercharger, delivering a smooth and confident 409 horsepower. Both are mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission, and yes, all-wheel drive is available if you want that extra grip and confidence. Performance-wise, it's not aiming to be a corner-carving sports sedan, and that's a good thing. The G90 is all about effortless power delivery, ultra-quiet refinement, and comfort that makes long drives feel like gliding on air. Thanks to features like Preview electronic control suspension, it scans the road ahead and adjusts the damping in real time. Translation: the car reads the road better than most drivers ever could. Inside, the cabin is nothing short of a sanctuary. Every surface is wrapped in premium leather, real wood, or brushed metal, and the attention to detail is simply stunning. Genesis calls it Korean hospitality, and honestly, that feels accurate. You don't just sit in the G90, you're welcomed by it. There's a massive 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, a matching 12.3-inch infotainment screen, and rear seat passengers are treated to their own control center, complete with massage functions, powered sunshades, and climate zones. If you go for the executive trim, you're getting reclining rear seats, footrests, and even an air purification system. Tech-wise, Genesis isn't pulling any punches. You've got over-the-air updates, a Bang & Olufsen 3D premium sound system, biometric authentication, and even hands-free automatic doors. Safety, of course. It's packed with all the latest adaptive cruise, lane centering, blind spot view monitor, and remote smart parking assist, just to name a few. But here's the kicker: the Genesis G90 undercuts its German rivals by a significant margin. You're getting S-Class level features and comfort for tens of thousands less, and in many ways, the experience feels more refined and more personal. To wrap it up, the 2025 Genesis G90 isn't trying to chase trends. It's confidently doing its own thing, blending cutting-edge technology, serene comfort, and standout design. If you're shopping in the luxury sedan space, this isn't just an alternative, it might just be the better choice. Thanks for watching the Test Drive Hub. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with what luxury car you'd like us to test next. Until next time, drive safe and stay curious.